World Massage Videos. Here's my ranking of recommended videos for today. Number 3.
Yeah, I just go to like the walk-in one where it's just, they don't do the stem or anything, but I did this last week.
Cool. So we kind of see this heel doesn't want to go. Any pain when I do that?
I feel like it's just a constant shifting on the back as well.
Does that recreate it all?
That eases it.
Okay, so
Somebody did that actually.
Cool, so we'll probably go into extension on this.
Breathing.
This thing is stiff. I don't usually just like say things like that, but this is really stiff.
Most of the time when I get adjusted, I have them do mid-back first because it's hard for me to breathe.
Okay, so starting with these adjustments before going to lumbar spine? We can do that.
I constantly shift throughout the day. Like I'll try to, it's great to have pressure put on me. Oh.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do a little push right here. Awesome. And we're gonna come back to this a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna do a little push. Try not to help me. Good. Alright. Wow.
Well, did it go even before you did it?
Yeah, it was ready.
Yeah. This, like, I can't lie. Ooh, I just shifted 3 times down because, and here, because I don't know, my hips are like springboards and everything, so I don't know if it's because my hips are so big that I don't like lean up and have this space in between.
Around a little bit. I'm not gonna go right now. One more. There we go. There we go.
How I end up breathing. I'm like, I don't know how to relax even more. Okay, do me more. I want more.
Go ahead and face me this way.
Okay, I have to keep in like.
Good. Good. Sorry, I had to do it on your breath out.
Oh, that's okay.
So we might not get a full neck adjustment. I'm gonna do upper cervicals. I did lower before.
Yeah.
But go ahead and come up here.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say these top ones. Oh my god, I love these.
Yeah, so upper cervical stuff is always headache. So I'm not
Because
adjusting
I always
right
come up here within my chest.
now. Yeah. Me pressing right here, is that okay?
Yeah.
Just kind of fall. There. Just relax that muscle. Again, so just a little push. Try not to drive that.
Do the other side first.
I'm fighting, making me fight. Alright, a little push. Cool. So you probably actually, the way that I did your adjustments first was probably a great thing for you. We're gonna do a little pull here. Good. Awesome.
Ay, Dios mío. Oh, that was it. Oh, that was. Okay, you want me to fall into your hand now? Like, I'll do that now. Oh, yes. Puppy.
That's why I cried.
Oh, because that alignment, just that little bit, like turtles and stuff, but that, I felt that from here,
the whole thing.
mid-back, and all the way
Yeah.
lower too, because that's where like, thank you, sir. That's off. Yay, follow him, oh my god. Oh yeah.
That worked for both of y'all.
Oh, that was
magical movie experience.
Well, it helps with like my breathing because I do a lot of chest breathing.
Yeah.
And I need to.
You sound like you know what you need to do, which is great.
But it's like I fight myself on it because I'm a natural masochist. So I feel like sometimes I'm like, are you slipping out just so you can like feel pain?
Number 2.
Okay, so a little bit of tenderness. So I'm just going through, it's a very quick, I'm doing first the left side here, and I'm following. There we go. Yeah, that opened up very easily for you. Perfect. Take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Good. We're going to drop down just a little bit. One more time. Deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Perfect. Okay. Torque. Good. Good. Perfect. What I'm going to have you do underneath from your knee. Release this up. Good. 2. How did that feel? That right there. Scoot a little bit towards me. Perfect. There it was. Good. All right, and I'm gonna have you flip to the other side. Same thing. We're gonna bend that top knee. Good. There it was. Perfect. Tighten up, so I'm feeling when she relaxes. Perfect. And that was it. So not much, it's just the tiniest bit of movement by your side. I'm gonna come up, over. I want you to put your hands up and over mine, like just like that. Yep. So I am gonna lean you back onto me. Bring your elbows together. Squeeze them together. Perfect, that was already cleared out. Relax. Okay, one last thing. Have you take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Perfect. Come on up.
Number 1.
On the left-hand side is going to be that first adjustment that we're going to be making. Good. And then T3 on the right. Good. Okay. So when I do your thoracic, so we're going to actually give yourself a big hug. That's right through here, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. There we go. You felt that first pop?
Yes.
You felt that? So we're feeling a little bit out of alignment right in the upper part of the neck here. Drop the shoulder for me. Relax that shoulder. Good. Perfect. Relax that right shoulder. Good. There we go. The bottom leg keeps straight. Good. There we go. Relax. And let it go. There we go. Okay, and stay just like that.
Heal the world. Did you enjoy watching the video? Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.